Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sohail Khan, and I was looking for my dream job, which was investment banking, and I was pursuing MBA. So MBA was not enough for me, so I'm looking for big courses like investment banking. So one of my friends suggested me about the investment banking, about the Magic Institute of Excellence. So I met Vishal sir in his team. So in that they taught me about the process, how this is work. And after taking my course and after finish my courses, so I got placed in SS&C GlobeOp, and they helped me also about cracking the interview about and how to give exams. About their interview exams and how to crack interviews and all that. After that, they will teach about the in-depth about the instruments like equity, bonds, derivatives. They teach in-depth about the finance, so you can get a core profile about the finance. Thank to Vishal sir and his team. Thank you so much one more time, sir.